art explorers. I know that a sculpture is a work of art that is three-dimensional. Did you know that you can make sculptures in your own house? Of course you did. You could use blocks, you could use Legos, you could even use tinfoil. You can use tinfoil to make sculptures. One of the sculptures that I love to make using tinfoil is a maquette. A maquette is a fancy French word for a model. And a lot of sculptors, when they are making a huge, giant sculpture, will start small and make a maquette. Here is a little sculpture I made out of tinfoil. This little guy is sitting down, but earlier I used him actually to make a very short stop motion animation video. There are a lot of things that you can do with tinfoil. There are a lot of things you can do with little tinfoil people. So today I'm going to show you how to make one and give you some ideas of how you can make a maquette or a tinfoil model.
You are going to need tinfoil and scissors. I like heavy-duty tinfoil, but it's not essential. Start with a rectangular piece of tinfoil and imagine that you're dividing it roughly into thirds. You're going to draw 5 lines on your tinfoil. You need 2 horizontal lines a third of the way down from the top, a vertical line in the middle, and then 2 diagonal lines pointing in from the bottom third. That will help make our body parts. Once I've drawn those 5 lines, I am going to cut them. 5 lines are going to help me know where the different body parts are. The first part I'm going to crumple very carefully is that top part. That makes the head. I'm going to crumple the tinfoil twice. This first time that you're seeing, I'm sort of generally making the body parts. I squeeze those 2 side flaps for arms, and then you can see here I'm crumpling the bottom legs. As I crumple the bottom legs, I sort of push up toward the middle, and that helps make the torso of my little tinfoil sculpture maquette. Now that I've got him in a generally good spot, I'm going to squeeze the tinfoil a little harder now to define those body parts a little better. If for some reason I pull too hard and parts of him fall off, I can just use some more tinfoil to patch him up. One of the things I also like about making a tinfoil maquette is it's really easy to move, like in this really quick stop motion video I made. I hope you have a lot of fun making a tinfoil maquette yourself. And if you do, make sure to take a picture and send it to me. I'd love to see it. Have fun. Bye.